Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare different versions of a Claude artifact using the easy layout steps. This is a great way to track the changes made to your web layouts or documents over time, so you can see exactly what text blocks or buttons were modified without losing your original progress. Step 1. Open your active project chat and find the interactive display panel. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window, click on your saved conversation history list, and load the specific project that has multiple artifact updates. Move your mouse pointer over to your left-hand history panel view, click on the specific chat link where you have been modifying your app or text sheet, and wait for the interactive display window to slide out on your right side. Look toward the bottom right corner of the main side panel layout to ensure the asset container card is fully loaded flat against your background view. Because the system automatically hides your older version milestones to keep your active workspace neat and clean, before you can begin evaluating past edits, you must call up the master file room so the application can pull the full timeline out of its background storage map and present it to your screen. Step 2. Locate the dedicated history tracker tool at the bottom of your display card to view the exact number of updates your document has gone through. Move your mouse cursor down to the lower left edge of the artifact preview card and click on the small text link or numbers that show your active version count, like version 3 of 4. Watch for a tiny selection menu row to pop open on your screen canvas rows, displaying a clean list of all your past saves from the oldest to the latest session. Because it serves as your digital time machine for your project files. Opening this tracking line allows you to see the exact sequence of your past design prompts. It lays out your milestones clearly so you can select any past save state to inspect without accidentally erasing the newest edits you just finished. Step 3. Click the Code View toggle to reveal the text comparison lines side by side. Move your mouse selector tool up to the top header row of your side panel view, click on the button labeled Code, and look for the comparison option to split your monitor screen into dual view blocks. Select the older version number on the left panel row and the newer version number on the right panel row to match the two sheets perfectly inside your view. Because it gives you a clean visual breakdown of your progress, the system engine automatically highlights deleted text strings in a red layout block and brand new button code rows in a green layout block. This allows you to spot tiny formatting updates or broken layout paths instantly without reading thousands of words of raw data by hand. And that's it. To compare different versions of a Claude artifact, you first open your history chat and load the interactive display panel on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the bottom corner to click the version control button and view your timeline history on your screen canvas rows. Then, you click the Code View toggle to split your display screen and read the highlighted text comparison lines side by side. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.